2D versus 3D architectural drawings. Which one should you choose? The importance of architectural drawings in the planning process and for building regulations cannot be overstated. They must not only be technically accurate, but also easy for clients to understand, even for those unfamiliar with architectural drawings. ArcPlan offers both 2D line drawings and 3D modeling drawings, addressing the limitations of traditional drawing styles. Both types are suitable for planning and building regulations, with significant differences between them. 2D drawings. ArcPlan's initial visit involves surveying the entire property to gather measurements and photographs for accurate scale drawings. This includes producing existing and proposed plans and elevations, as well as site and location plans, to help planning and building control understand the proposed alterations. The meeting also allows ArcPlan to learn about the client's lifestyle and ideas, which helps establish a clear extension design brief. In some cases, engaging specialists such as a topographical surveyor or a tree specialist may be necessary, and ArcPlan can provide advice on this when meeting with the client. The 3D drawing type offered by ArcPlan is more advanced, providing features that make the drawings easy to read and enable clients to envision their house extension. It includes 3D views and realistic visualizations, benefiting both clients and planning authorities. This approach ensures that the finished building will meet expectations and highlights details not clearly visible in 2D drawings. Additionally, 3D drawings are based on a single 3D model, reducing the risk of errors. While 3D drawings take more time and cost more initially, the right design decisions they help achieve are likely to increase the value and saleability of the property. The choice of architectural drawing type depends on several factors. For small projects like loft or garage conversions, 2D drawings are sufficient, while medium to large extensions and modern designs benefit from 3D visualizations. Additionally, the complexity of the site and its impact on planning permission should be considered. ArcPlan is available to provide advice on which drawing type would be most suitable for your project. Feel free to get in touch for further assistance.